Let's do a creative reset. Pen and paper or a notes app. Describe how did you sleep last night. You got 1 minute. Go. Time is up. I've been creatively muted my whole life, even though I'm a creative person. But there's so much to express. And there's such a thing as perfectionism. And a lot of people, I know you relate with this. So I'm hoping for myself and for anyone out there who needs to hear this, that we can find our creative flow together. I do this exercise on Sundays live for 10 minutes. Join me if you will. See you then. Bye.